What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Chasing That Fin. I am T. Anthony. I'm going to do something different today. I'm not going to be in a boat. I'm going to, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I'm too lazy to do it, but I finally decided this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you right here. I got my kayak out and do some kayak fishing. Just float around here and everything. I got about an hour and a half or so. Paddle out here. So around these oyster beds, I can see if we can find some mango snappers or something and see what's out there or not. But like I said, it's just too easy to get in the boat, turn that key, hit that throttle. Well, I guess I got to turn the key myself and hit my own throttle. So I'm going to jump in this thing here and we're going to float down here and see what we can find. Tide is going out. It's outgoing tide here. So let's see if I can find anything or not. Get used to this here for a while. So I think we're down here by the bridge. Go underneath the bridge here. See if we can find anything underneath the bridge. Around the pilings and everything. If there's any snappers or anything down around here. Like I said, I got about an hour and a half left, so I'm not going to venture far. But it is freaking hot out today. It's like 95 degrees out right now. But the water's really nice. So, peaceful. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this for a while. Just too lazy to get the kayak out and do manual paddling. Should do it more often. Don't have to worry about washing the boat down, flushing the motor out or anything. Just pull this thing out. Don't have to worry about it. So, all right, all I got's my Penn 2500. Number 1 Cal hook. Got a couple split shots there. I'm just going to run a live shrimp. All I'm going to do is just hook them through here. And I'm just going to throw them out here and just kind of let them float. See what happens. See if we can pick anything up. Got this piling here. The bridge just kind of hold me here. I forgot my anchor. Said tide's going out, so it's coming out pretty good right now. Just let some line out here. Anything about fishing underneath the bridge, it's awful noisy. All these cars and everything. So
You got a phone I can use real quick?
I got it in here, but I'm not
You make a phone call, I don't care.
I'm not moving right now. So guy wants to use my phone. Sometimes, I don't know, you want to help people out, but the way this world is some days, you just can't trust people at times. So, all right, we got something right here. Not sure what we got, but we got something. A little mango snapper. Little mango snapper. Not legal. Yep. Guess I don't have to unhook him. That's what I'm kind of looking for. I'll get the legal size limit. So we can find another one underneath there. So all I'm doing is, like I said, just hook the shrimp like that. Just go along these pilings right here, underneath this bridge. Do that again. I guess they're underneath, and someone's underneath here. Got my shrimp back there. These barnacles and oysters and everything up against the pier makes a good anchor, but digs the heck out of your kayak here. But oh well. Didn't pay much money for it, so we'll be all right. I think I lost my bait here. Feels like it. No, still got it. Didn't want to do that. That's what's going to happen, it figures. Just letting it drift down along here. That's all I'm doing. I just had another hit here. I laid my rod down. And that's what happens. You're not paying attention. Just laid my rod down and moved some stuff around. I started getting a hit, and by the time I grabbed my rod, it was already too late. Try this again, see what happens here. See if I can get him this time. Had something nibbling at it. There we go. There we go. Got another one. And another little one. They're in here. Now we just catch the bigger ones. Got to be 10 inches. Nowhere near 10 inches. Find another one underneath there. Maybe just a bunch of little ones. Kind of just let it drift down here. He said it's not going tide. Not going tide here. Like I said, I'm underneath the bridge. Backwaters. Actually, kind of nice and not relaxing, except for the cars. Ain't nothing I can do about that. Guess either put up with it or go find somewhere else. But I wanted to fish underneath this bridge. I got another hit here. Had him. Probably took my bait. I think he did. It's still there. Nope. Usually what I do, if they hook them like this, they take them. Sometimes I'll just go. I'll grab them like this, and I'll just double hook them underneath the tail like that. And then I just get back down through there like this. So you still have some meat left on her, so they won't take it all at once. Better chance at it maybe getting it again. I already had a hit there. As soon as it hit, there we go. He hit it. Guess he decided he didn't want it. Wouldn't mind having 2 or 3 legal size ones. Make a little fish sandwich for dinner. Don't know if that'll happen or not. See that current ripping pretty good right now. So just piling here. It's holding me in place. I'm kind of holding here. I need to bring my anchor. Oh, I got something here. Oh, there we go. Another mango. Seem like to be all the same size right now. Got to be a big one in there somewhere. Guess we have to weed through the little ones. See if we can find a big one. Just fishing my shrimp this way. I hook them all different ways. Some do better than the other. I just lost. I had 2 split shots on there. Mine's a little frayed. I should change it, but probably regret that. Let's see what happens here. Good way to get underneath bridges or anything like this. Take your kayak or take a kayak and just come underneath bridges like this where you can't get boats in here. I can't get my boat in here because of the T-top and everything. So it's like I said, it's really easy. Just I missed that. Hesitated on it. He took it all. Probably another little one. Must be a bunch of little ones there. Oh, he had a hold of that too. It felt like a big one, but he had a hold of it. Of course, I like using these smaller shrimp for the mangoes. You put a big one on there and it just kind of pick at it. They really don't take it all. It seems like you use these smaller ones, you do pretty good. Getting there the first time. Tell you what, this road's pretty busy tonight. Cast out this way a little bit, see if there's anything out in here. Start to drift away. There we go. Bumping it. Had a hold of him. Now I'll throw that back out. He just took the head. See if we'll take it again. Probably clean me. There we go. Ah, we got a sheep head. Sheep head. Little sheep head. Little sheep head. I wonder if there was any along these piles of this bridge or not. I guess there is. He's just a baby. Put him back. Nice thing about it is there ain't no one around. Ain't no one fishing here. Yeah, I'm hung up there. Oh, here we go. Yeah, get a little bit bigger. Of course, I have nothing to measure them with. I forgot my measuring thing. So I don't know how big this is. But I'm pretty sure he's probably about 9 inches. 8, 9 inches, so. I knew I forgot something. I didn't bring everything in there. I'll let him go. Yeah, gotta be 8, 9 inches. Try this again. They're getting bigger. Like I said, nothing to measure them with. Forgot it in the truck. No big deal. No big deal. I'm just out here just relaxing after work. Decided to do a little fishing after work. Guess one of them things, I gotta work if I want to do this, so gotta work today and so I can play. Bought this rod here a few weeks ago. Not a bad little rod. Proficiency. I don't know who makes it or anything, but guy gave us 20% off on these rods, so I couldn't pass the deal up. So like I needed another fishing rod, need another fishing gear, but you can never have too much fishing gear. Like women in their purses and their shoes. Well, guys, it's the fishing gear. You gotta have that many. You gotta have a little bit of everything. So if your wife or girlfriend says, why do you need another fishing rod, or why do you need another fishing pole? I'll ask her why she needs another purse or why she needs another pair of shoes. See where that argument goes. See who wins that. Ah, missed that one. There he is. Another little one. It must be all these. Now they're getting smaller. Instead of getting bigger, they're getting smaller. That's a trophy of the night right there. That's the trophy. Hey, it's catching fish. Little bit of entertainment for the evening, relaxing. Yeah, I just picked another one up here, but it's not very big either. Need a little one. Kind of like catching shell crackers, one right after another. All right, it's something decent here. I don't know what it is, but it ain't no little one. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, we got a legal one. It's more than 10 incher. I knew there was a big one in here somewhere. Look at that one. Nice size one. Nice. I tell you, he's more than 10 inches. I knew there had to be some big ones here somewhere. Look at that. I don't know if I can catch another one or not. Let's see if there's another one. I probably regret doing this. I didn't bring nothing else to put them in the bucket or anything. I'm gonna put them in here for right now. So, yeah. Put them in there for right now. I put him in my shrimp bucket. I knew this is what was gonna happen. He's already eaten my shrimp. He's already got one already swallowed down in there. He had a couple in there. I knew that was gonna happen, but he's got him. He's got it. He's in there beating him up, so I'm gonna let him go. Like I said, I wasn't prepared, but we'll let him go. All right, real quick. There's an oyster bed right here, and I just went through it. There's some big reds in here. I'm just gonna free line a shrimp. See what happens here. I'm probably gonna regret it. Just gonna let them float down through there, see if they'll pick it up. There, I got something. Here we go. Oh no, it's a ladyfish. Ladyfish. Yeah. That's good bait. Caught me a ladyfish there. Must be in that shallow part right there. Slimy. He's hooked in there pretty good. Can't get the hook out of him. Don't understand why. Should come right unhooked. There we go. There we go. right, my GoPro ran out of battery when I was out in the water there after that ladyfish. I found a spot there. It was an oyster bed, and there was fish. I could see fish swimming around there, but I don't have much time, so I figured I'll just beat it back in there. But I'm gonna try that spot again. I know where it's at and everything. See what happens there. Bring the kayak back out. So, like I said, it was a nice little evening. Just to go out and sit in the water and do nothing really. Catch some mango snappers, and like I said, that one was really nice in that. But we'll get the kayak put away and everything. Like I said, you see the sunset behind me. Freaking no eat. Those CMs are tearing me up right now, so we can get my kayak loaded up and get out of here. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. For the ones that have been watching so far, follow me and everything, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Till next time, keep chasing those fins.